Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to start our organic chemistry series from IGCSE and O levels. Our today's topic is functional group and homologous series. Let us start. First of all, what is functional group? What is functional group? Number one, definition. An atom atom or group of atom or single bond or double bond that gives a molecule its specific characteristic properties. Characteristic properties is called functional group. There are some examples of the functional group as we have defined it as an atom, group of atom, or single or double bond. It might be triple bond. Due to these specific properties, functional groups, molecule have some specific characteristics. Examples, let us take an example. An atom, let's suppose a halogen atom is added in the hydrocarbon or the organic compound. It is an atom. What is this? An atom. Second one is an OH group is added to the molecule, which is group of atom. Group of We have defined 4 things here about the functional group. Number 1, an atom or group of atom or single bond or triple bond or double bond. Let us take, we have a single bond, carbon, carbon single bond, okay, single bond. This is single bond and this is carbon, carbon double bond, okay, double bond. What is this? Double bond. Now let us take some more detail of these examples. Number 1, this is an organic compound C, this is OH. This OH is functional group. Remaining carbon are satisfied by hydrogen elements like this. OH is functional group and this functional group containing molecule will be called as alcohol. Let us move toward the next example, that is, this was the example of group of atom as a functional group. Now we take example single atom as a functional group. Let us see carbon, carbon, carbon. This hydrogen, sorry, single bond, single bond. Hydrogen is replaced by some X. And what is X? X is one of the following element, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. This is called functional group. And the molecules containing halogen as a functional group are called alkyl halide. Okay. What are called these? These are called alkyl halide. This was our first example. This is the second example. Now we see another example, that is group of atom. Number 3, this is basically carbon single bond, single bond. This carbon is replaced by a group hydrogen, sorry. This hydrogen is replaced by a functional group. This functional group is called carboxyl functional group. What is this? carboxyl functional group, and the molecule containing this functional group are called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Further nomenclature we will discuss in upcoming classes. One more example that is consist of carbon carbon double bond. What is this? A molecule, this molecule containing carbon carbon double bond. This carbon carbon double bond is acting as a functional group. These molecules containing double bond are called alkenes. Okay, what are called alkenes. Similarly, if the molecule have two carbon like that, in which carbon carbon have single bond, are called alkanes. ANE, and this contain ENE at the end. Okay. Now one more example in which carbon carbon are bonded by triple bond. These molecules are called alkynes. YNE. These are called alkynes. Our next topic is this is the new topic, homologous series. Homologous series. As we have discussed about the functional group. What is the functional group? That imparts specific properties to the molecule. It might be an atom or group of atom or the presence of single, double or triple bond between the carbon atoms in a molecule. Okay. And the family of single functional group is called homologous series in simple words. Family of single functional group, same functional group is called homologous series. Now let us define this. A family of organic compounds with the with the same functional group. Same functional group. As you know, same functional group will impart same chemical properties in the compound or in the molecule, and same chemical properties same chemical properties is called homologous series. Do you understand? Let us have the example of homologous series of alkane. First of all, we are having example of homologous series of alkane. Homologous series, as I have told you already, consist of same functional group or same carbon-carbon bonding. If we are taking the example of alkanes, alkanes are first member of alkane family is this. Second member C2H6. Third member C3H8. It means for N, CnH2n plus 2. This will be the general formula for alkane. This is the homologous series of alkanes. This is the homologous series of alkanes. Did you notice one thing? This molecule is greater than this molecule by CH2. In same homologous series, every next homologue of the same series is CH2 greater than the previous one. Okay. Similarly, we take one more example of the homologous series, that is, you might say we are going to take alcohol. What is alcohol? As I have already told you, alcohol contains OH as a functional group. CH3OH. The first member, similarly C2H5OH is the second member, and next member is C3H7OH. Similarly, for n number of carbon, then what will be the its general formula will be CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the homologous series of alcohol. Similarly, whatever will be the functional group, we just change the functional group and rest of the chain will remain same, like that. Now we are going to take the general characteristics of homologous series. What are the characteristics of homologous series? Characteristics of homologous series. HS mean homologous series. Homologous series of any molecule will have same functional group. What is same functional group? Next, you already know if the functional group is same, then chemical properties will also be same. It means same chemical properties. Okay. Number 3, physical properties will vary with the change of number of carbon atoms. Okay, it means a molecule of one carbon homologous series will have low melting and boiling point than the two carbon molecule. Okay, number 4, whole homologous series will have same general formula. Okay, these were the topics of today's lesson. Now we will solve 2 questions from these topics. That is, question number 1, which of the following structures shows a compound that belongs to the different homologous series? In this compound, we are having a look, every carbon is singly bonded to other carbon. In these two are from same homologous series. This is also from this homologous series because all the carbon contain single bond between each other. While in this compound, these two carbon contain carbon-carbon double bond. So this will be the answer of our question. Now the second question of the homologous series and functional group, that shows what will be the answer of this question. The diagram shows the structure of ethene. It means here functional group is double bond. What is the functional group? Double bond. Which of these compound has similar chemical properties of ethene? Does this compound have any double bond? No. Does this? No. Does this? No. Then this compound have double bond. So both of these compounds belong to same homologous series, and If they are from the same homologous series, they both have same chemical properties. Okay, any question? Please leave the question under the comment section. I will answer you as early as possible. Okay, goodbye.